Hi friends, hope you're doing good. Welcome. Once you've got your first double under and you're struggling to string together double unders, you can try this method or try this workout. It's called a double under ladder, where we start with one double under, take a break. When you take a break, you go back to basic jumping or boxer skip, then go to two double unders. Once you succeed in that, get your breath back with basic bounce or boxer skip, and then add one more double under to your previous string, which is 3 in this case, and then take a break, go to 4, 5, 6, like that. Take as long as a break that you need between the double unders. This is how it will look. We'll start with one double under, progress to 2, progress to 3, progress to 4, and keep going like that. So shall we start? We'll start with some basic bounce or boxer skip. I prefer boxer skip. And then we'll go into a one double under. So we did one. Next we need to go to two double unders. Let's go. So 2 done. Recover, catch your breath. Next is 3. What happens if you trip? You have to go back to 1. It's like the snakes and ladders game that we have played. Next we have to go to 4, right? Yeah. Next we have to go to 5. So that's how it goes. I'm having a problem. My glasses are sweating. My shorts is sliding down. So it's part of the break. Now we have to go to 6. Shall we? Boxer skip. 6. So 6 done. We have to go to 7. Whenever you're ready, let's go into the 7 double under string. We tripped. So with that, we'll stop the video. So you can keep going till the time you want. Take your time, take your breaks, and try this workout. I'm sure you will be able to string a lot of double unders. And the only thing which will stop you from double unders is when you want to stop or you trip like me. I hope you liked the video. Give it a try. And if it works out for you, do come back in. Leave a comment that it worked for you. Till I see you in the next video. Enjoy your jumps. Take care. Bye-bye.